Hey everyone, this is Shananah, and today I'm going to not harvest, I wish. Today I'm planting my garlic. I finally got the we finally got the raised beds put together that I want to put the garlic in. And so before it gets dark, I'm going to try to plant them all. Let's see what we got. Let's see. I got an order from Botanical Interests, and let's see what I ordered. Got some Echelon Red. That's a big bulb of garlic. Got 2 Echelon Reds. And no, I was about to say three Echelon Reds. But it's California early. So I got that. You know, I tried to order some Creole. I don't know if this is it right here, but I know I tried to order some, and I don't know if I had trouble and had to get some other one. This is another Echelon Red. This was ordered from M.I. Gardner. M.I. Gardner. I got some Laura's Italian and some Enchilium Red. Just renaming them. Now I got some elephant garlic somewhere. I have to go inside and look, try to put them all in the same spot, because I'm bad about not finding stuff when I want to find it. See what we got. This is from the garlic store. I know I ordered some, I think from Seed Needs or Seeds Now, one of those. This is Creole Red. It's supposed to be for the south. So I'm so happy about that. So this Creole variety is said to behave rather uniquely, a great choice for southern states in warm weather where they do best. They will frequently act like a soft neck. They need a ton of direct sunlight to size up, while they can adapt to colder weather. If they don't get the sunlight they need, bulbs will be smaller and behave more like a hard neck. What sets them apart from other Creole varieties is their milder garlic flavor mixed with a shallot profile. A good choice for those of you who eat raw cloves. Oftentimes they will only have a few plump cloves, but size will depend on where they grow and sunlight. These typically harvest mid to late season and have good storage. So again, I got these from thegarlicstore.com, and so I'm about to plant these first. Oh, what fell off? My little part of my doggone stand fell off, y'all. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put it back in it. Alright, we got it. We got it now. Okay, so I only planted garlic one other time. And I learned a lot from that planting. I planted it in January, and I should have planted it in the fall. I know, well, it's still technically fall. So you break it off, break a clove off. You're supposed to use the biggest cloves. But I'm planting all of it. I paid for it, I'm planting it. You plant this part here on the downside and the pointy tip up. You don't take the skin off. Let's see if I got it. Okay, I'm just gonna push it in the dirt because I just put this dirt in here, and I'm not gonna put them too far apart because I want to plant as many as I can in here. Plant the big ones first. of Enchilium red. These big old, that's a California early. Enchilium. See how botanical gardens, they box them. I love botanical interests. They go the extra mile. Hey Fiona, you're not going to be using this as a litter box, are you? Where you going? Okay, I found some more garlic. Now this one I got from Seeds now. I think it's my elephant garlic in here. I just went garlic crazy, like normal. I got some Nootka Rose. I planted that the last time. I got some Silver Rose. I got some elephant. Oh, and I got some seeds, honey. Some borlati. All my borlati beans died in the frost. I'm gonna try it again. They always send something free with my order. And also when I buy from them, if I'm not mistaken, they're the ones, the more that I buy, the more that I get discounts on my next order. So I'm gonna have to, these are gonna be Enchilium red, Enchilium I guess. I'm gonna do those first and try to fill this one up, and then I'll start labeling. Because right now, I don't know what's in that bin. That bin is Creole red. This one is Enchilium so far. Okay. This one from In My Gardener, not trying to say anything negative about him. I bought seeds from him before, and I love the seeds. But these are smaller than the ones that I got from Botanical Interest. It's okay. It's okay. I just want them all to grow and make some nice bulbs. I'm going to save this and chill it. I think I had one more from In My Gardener. I do. I don't know. I say something's got to grow, huh? I'll see. I'm hopeful, ever hopeful. Even when I end up disappointed for whatever reason. And I'm learning every time. Okay, now, all of those is Enchilium red. And now I'm going to put my my elephant garlic cloves. Now they're going to need more space, so I don't think I have that many of them. Look at that big clove. Is that one or two? That's one clove, y'all. Look at this. Look at this clove. My goodness. My goodness. We're going to give you a little more space. That's another big one. Oh, its skin came off. Alright. I thought I had more. I probably have another bag of elephant garlic in there. So, I think I'm going to get some more dirt and put over this. I think what I'm going to do is plant the other ones tomorrow because it's getting dark and I don't want to rush and do things the wrong way. So I hope you enjoyed this garlic planting of my Creole red, my Anchillian red, and my elephant garlic. Until next time, remember, love you.